Guys, today we're going to be doing something really crazy you've never seen before. Wow, look at the gold, guys. Seen before. Guys, we have 5 of my favorite foods and we're going to put 24 gold and it's real gold and it's on our food. Guys, I have my pug here, Mia, and we're going to try all these foods out. Guys, we're going to eat my favorite foods with gold on it. Guys, we have my favorite pizza from Domino's. Some pepperoni. And my dog has the same too. Wow, look at the gold, guys. I took a bite of it. Not me. She's almost done. Mia, slow it down. The pizza was delicious and I didn't even taste the gold. So let's go on to number 2 round with these chicken nuggets. Yeah, are you ready for number 2? Let's just get on ready. She probably said yes. There's a gold in my piece. It's definitely disgusting. Cause like that's like pizza. Yeah, what do you think? Gosh, she has so much gold on her face. She's a mess. High five. High five. Good girl. I don't like it, guys, because I just like pizza and I dipped it in it. Did not taste good. Mia's gonna have the rest. Sauce. You like the sauce, puppy? He's so silly sometimes. Round number 3, guys. I'm eating a hamburger from my favorite place, which is McDonald's. Also got my drink. Check out the code. That'd be cool that they made some gold chips. Guys, it was so yummy. And my tummy. Guys, comment down below if what would you like to put gold on. Now it's Mia's turn. Feed her, so she won't eat it. It's a big one. Guys, we have ice cream with gold on it now. They look so delicious. Ooh. Let's try some of the gold. There's some gold on it. guys, really, really, really good. Guys, you need to try this at your home. This is edible gold, guys. Guys, now it's Mia's turn. Guys, she got vanilla ice cream. Guys, I think she loves it. Oh my gosh. She's like loving this so much. She's getting ice cream on her face, guys. Big thumbs up for this one. Guys, Mia has a lot of ice cream on her face. She has a lot of ice cream on her face. Guys, next is some popcorn with some 24K gold on the popcorn. And we're going to watch some of the movies. Comment down what movie you like. Let's go!
Say, come on, Mia.
Come on, Mia. Come on. Come on. Guys, we're gonna eat my golden popcorn watching a movie. Guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and click that bell button and comment down below. Bye!